Hi, my name is Juliana, and welcome to part one of a two-part series on how to turn your app into a revenue-generating template on NodeOps Marketplace. Today, we're going to walk you through how to containerize your app and publish it as a Docker image. First, we're going to need Docker. If you don't already have it installed, go to docker.com/getstarted and install it for your machine. I'm running a Mac, and it's already running up here. We can see it in the menu bar and down here. So we're going to need it running for the duration of the tutorial. Next, we're going to go to Docker Hub and create an account and sign in. Once you're in, click on your profile icon, come down to account settings, and then click on personal access token. And then you're going to generate a new token. Give the token a descriptive name. I'm setting the expiration date to none and give it read and write permissions. Click generate. Copy the first line and then go into your IDE or your terminal. For me, I'm using Cursor. This is my project on the left. This is a terminal down here. And I'm going to paste what I've copied and hit enter. It's asking for a password. I'm going to take this password and also paste. Hit enter. Okay, once you're logged in, you're going to see logging succeeded. Congrats, you've logged into Docker. Now, the next step is to prepare your Docker files. So my project is sitting here on the left. You would need to generate a Docker file. And what a Docker file is that it tells Docker how to build your machine. It starts off with a base image and where the important files are and instructions on how to run it. Then down in your terminal, you're going to type in docker build-t, your username, the name of your app. I'm going to call it and then I'll give it a version name, give it a tag. You can call it v1. Then you're going to do dot. Dot tells it that I want to push up this current directory that I'm sitting in. And we're going to do dash dash push and then dash dash platform, which is the flag to build your project for Linux AMD 64. Currently for NodeOps, we only support builds for Linux AMD 64. Hit enter. Now this one command does two things. It builds your template and pushes it at the same time. You can always split this command into two parts. Let's go back. All right, it looks like it was successful. Let's go into your Docker repositories. Give this a little refresh. If it was successful, you should be able to see it here. All right, perfect. There's my starter app published less than a minute ago. Congratulations. You've just published your first Docker image. Tune in for part two, where we will cover submitting it to the NodeOps Marketplace as a public or private template.